Welcome to Tobin's Adventure Channel.
So we're gonna make beef stew in the slow cooker, and Tobin is going to help me. You ready, Tobin? Oh, I'm gonna start without him. Need you to put all the meat, just the meat, and put it in there. Yeah. So that beef is gonna go in there first.
And what's he gonna do with it?
We're gonna slow cook it for about 5 hours, and it's gonna be that beef stew that we're making.
I like the smell.
Onion and celery. We're gonna put some potatoes and some carrots in there. Okay, we done? Okay, oh, well, we need to put the flour mixture that was with salt and pepper, and I stirred it up, and Tobin's gonna stir up just a little bit more, and we'll pour it over the beef. Okay? Okay, that looks like it's done.
No.
No, honey. That noise is kind of ugh. Okay. Nope, not that yet. Pour this over the meat mixture. All of it.
Okay.
Still got some in there.
What are you having for dinner?
Well, I'm making beef stew. Slow cooker beef stew. Super easy. The best thing to make. Alright. Okay. Okay. So I need you to pour the rest of this in the mixture.
In here?
Mm-hmm. Take the top off. Okay. All of it. All of it. Okay. And then this one, which is garlic, minced garlic. And, well, it's a teaspoon of paprika. There we go. Okay, and then a teaspoon of, what is it, Tobin? What is that? Now we're putting all the onions in the mixture. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, you can put those in too.
I can put some onions and these here because it will make it really yummy.
It's called celery.
Oh, celery?
Mm-hmm. Tobin, your pants are on backwards. That's really good, buddy. Yeah. And got a little bit lazy.
All of it?
Just bought some.
All of it?
Yep, packaged potatoes with
all
onion.
All of it?
Yes, all of it. With it, so you know. Sometimes you cut corners in cooking. That was mine. The only way that I will let you put all those carrots in, even though it doesn't ask for all of them, is if you take one bite of a carrot. One, just one.
Me?
Yes.
I can put all of them.
I saved you this little tiny carrot. And take a bite. Take a tiny bite. No? Now give it to me. Is it yummy? Okay. Put all those in there as you desire. We're over our measurements.
Whoa.
Way over our measurement. It's gonna be more carrots than beef.
Yeah. I got black stuff.
And I think because we over measured and we'll put a little bit more beef broth in there. And
I can take a picture of over here.
okay, now it's ready.
Now I'm going to take a picture of black sauce.
That look good?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, buddy, since we've made quite a mess. And we'll go. All right, say bye.
Bye.
All right. Do you want to watch your?
Bye. See you